Hi there, and today we're going to have a Squarespace mobile menu color switch tutorial. So here I am in the Squarespace website dashboard, and let's go to the website editor. So I'll just click edit site, and then we are in the desktop view of the Squarespace website. So to switch to the mobile view, just click the icon right here, and then we are now in the mobile view of the Squarespace website. So what we want to do is that we want to change the background of this mobile menu right here. So we can just click edit, and then from here, click edit site header. So a common problem that people do is that they click edit design right away, and then they change the color right here. So for example, this one, the bright 2, but when they open the menu, it's still in the default color, and in this case it is in color white. So what we need to do first is that we need to click the view menu first before we change the color. So from here, I'll just change it to the default color, and then what we need to do, click view menu and then click edit design. So from here, as you can see, the design has different settings for the alignment and then the link spacing. And then we have the color right here. When we choose a different color, as you can see, it changes the whole color of this mobile menu. But when we go back and close the menu, we still have the default white color. And then that is it. That is how we can change the color of the mobile menu. So if you want a custom color, what you need to do is that you need to click this pencil icon and then scroll down here until you see the menu right here. So just scroll down. So I think we scrolled past over the menu. So let's scroll up again. So here is the menu overlay. So just change the color of the background right here. So for example, just click on it, then we can change the color right here. Or if you want a custom color, just click custom, and then we can go ahead and change the color of the background. And then that is it. Now we can click save, and then we can close this. And then we now have a different color for our mobile menu. And then that is it. That is how we can change the color of the mobile menu here in Squarespace for the mobile version. So I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.